Having a cooling problem or issue with the ice maker does not require a repairman. Those are considered minor repairs that can be done by you.
If you have a few hours and a user manual, you can do your own Jenn Air Refrigerator repair while saving hundreds of dollars.
You will need to learn about your unit by reading a manual that comes with your refrigerator, or by downloading the user manual online.
To get started, you will need to open the freezer and check for frost buildup or accumulated ice on the back wall, or the ceiling of the refrigerator.
If there is a buildup, you will need to defrost the unit to allow it to work temporarily.
Eventually you will need to replace the motherboard, condenser or the compressor.
However, for a quick fix to your Jenn Air Refrigerator repair, you will need to unplug the unit.
Allow it to defrost overnight, or you can use a blow dryer for faster results.
This will melt the ice on the coils in the back of the unit. It will also buy you roughly 6 weeks before it needs to be done again.
It is best to order replacement parts after the freezer has defrosted and begun working properly.
This will help make the wait seem shorter. Another issue or problem you may be experiencing is with the ice maker.
Usually it requires a new ice maker kit, which can also be ordered online.
However, you may want to check to be sure there is no ice blocking the vents or any debris in the way.
When you order the part, be sure you have your refrigerator model number so you receive the right part for your unit.
Your ice maker kit will come with instructions to show you how to do the Jenn Air Refrigerator repair.
If you follow the installation instructions, you will have saved hundreds of dollars and weeks of wait time.
Learning how to do minor repairs yourself is the cost-effective way to fix your refrigerator unit.
The price for a small repair can easily cost up to $300 including the part.
It may also cost you a day's wages for staying home waiting for a repairman.